We are looking at how to pronounce this word that designates a type of crown, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ slightly. In British English, this is usually said as diadem, diadem. You do want to stress on the first syllable, diadem. In American English, however, this is usually pronounced as diadem, diadem in American English versus diadem in British English. Did you get it? Did you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.